Tokyo, it's a sensory overload. The moment you step into this sprawling metropolis, you're greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that can be overwhelming yet exhilarating. The city pulses with an energy that is both chaotic and harmonious, a blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the ultra-modern. A city that hums with a chaotic energy. Shibuya Crossing, often dubbed the busiest intersection in the world, is a perfect example of this. Thousands of people cross from all directions, creating a mesmerizing dance of humanity. It's a place where you can feel the heartbeat of Tokyo, a city that never seems to rest. The streets are a kaleidoscope of neon, noise, and smells. Neon signs flash in every color imaginable, advertising everything from ramen shops to high-tech gadgets. Street markets buzz with activity, vendors shouting to attract customers, the air filled with the aroma of sizzling street food. It's a sensory feast that leaves you both exhausted and exhilarated. It's a place where you can get lost in the crowd and find yourself at the same time. Amidst the hustle and bustle, there's a sense of anonymity that is strangely liberating. You can be anyone, do anything, and no one will bat an eye. Yet, in the sea of faces, you might just discover something new about yourself. I'm drawn to cities that never sleep. Tokyo is no exception. The city transforms as the sun sets, the neon lights casting a surreal glow over the streets. Nighttime in Tokyo is a different world, one filled with endless possibilities. From late-night ramen shops to bustling night markets, there's always something happening, something to explore. This concrete jungle is a feast for the senses. Every corner of Tokyo offers a new experience, a new adventure. The cityscape is a blend of towering skyscrapers and quaint alleyways, each with its own unique charm. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, where ancient temples stand side by side with cutting-edge technology. From the moment you step off the plane, you're hit with a wave of heat, humidity, and the smell of 1,000 different things cooking. The airport itself is a microcosm of the city, bustling with activity, a preview of the sensory overload that awaits. Street food vendors line the streets, offering everything from takoyaki to yakitori, the steam rising from their stalls adding to the city's vibrant atmosphere. But it's not just the sights and smells that make Tokyo so special. It's the people. The Japanese are known for their politeness and respect, qualities that are evident in every interaction. Whether it's a friendly nod from a passerby or the meticulous care taken by a shopkeeper, there's a sense of community and mutual respect that permeates the city. The Japanese are some of the most polite, respectful, and hardworking people I've ever met. Their dedication to their craft, whether it's making sushi or designing cutting-edge technology, is truly inspiring. It's a culture that values hard work, precision, and attention to detail, qualities that are reflected in every aspect of life in Tokyo. They're also incredibly passionate about their food, which is good news for anyone who likes to eat. Tokyo is a food lover's paradise, offering everything from Michelin-starred restaurants to humble street food stalls. The city's culinary scene is a reflection of its diversity, with flavors and dishes from all over Japan and the world. So come with me, and let's get lost in the electric avenues of Tokyo. We'll wander through the neon-lit streets of Shinjuku, explore the otaku culture in Akihabara, and experience the vibrant nightlife that the city is famous for. Each district has its own unique vibe, its own story to tell. We'll explore the famous and the infamous. From the iconic Tokyo Tower to the hidden alleys of Golden Gai, there's so much to see and do. Each landmark, each street has its own history, its own significance. It's a city that constantly surprises you, always offering something new to discover. We'll eat our way through the city's best-kept secrets. From hidden izakayas to bustling food markets, Tokyo's culinary scene is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Each meal is an adventure, a chance to experience the city's rich culinary heritage. Whether it's a bowl of ramen or a plate of sushi, every bite tells a story. And we'll discover what makes this city tick. From the efficient chaos of the Tokyo Metro to the vibrant energy of the Tsukiji fish market, there's a rhythm to the city that is both fascinating and mesmerizing. Street performers add to the city's dynamic atmosphere, their talents a testament to Tokyo's creative spirit. Buckle up, kids. It's going to be a wild ride. Tokyo is a city that never ceases to amaze, a place where every corner holds a new adventure. So get ready to dive into the electric avenues of Tokyo and experience the magic of this incredible city. Shibuya Crossing, the heart of Tokyo's vibrant Shibuya district, where the pulse of the city can be felt with every step. You've seen it in the movies, in countless travel documentaries, and in the dreams of wanderlust-filled travelers. That iconic scramble crossing where thousands of people surge across the street at once, creating a mesmerizing dance of humanity. It's a sight to behold, especially at night, when the neon signs are blazing and the energy is electric. The lights paint the streets in a kaleidoscope of colors, and the air buzzes with excitement. Best time to experience it? Right in the thick of rush hour, when the streets are packed and the city is alive with the hustle and bustle of commuters, shoppers, and tourists. Feel the energy of the city wash over you. It's an experience like no other, a moment where you become one with the rhythm of Tokyo. Then there's Takashita Street, a narrow alleyway in Harajuku that's a riot of color and sound. A place where every corner offers a new surprise, from quirky shops to unique street food. Think Hello Kitty on acid. The shops are filled with an explosion of kawaii culture, with everything from plush toys to vibrant fashion accessories. It's the epicenter of Japanese youth culture, where you'll find everything from cosplay to kawaii. The fashion here is bold, creative, and unapologetically unique. And if you're looking for electronics, Akihabara is the place to be. This district is a paradise for tech enthusiasts, with stores that offer the latest gadgets and gizmos. This is ground zero for all things geek, from manga to anime to video games. It's a world where fantasy and reality blend, and where you can lose yourself in the endless aisles of pop culture treasures. Whether you're a seasoned otaku or just curious, Akihabara offers an immersive experience that captures the essence of modern Japanese culture. The arcades, the manga cafes, the themed restaurants, it's a sensory overload in the best possible way. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, where the neon never fades and the adventure never ends. From the bustling streets of Shibuya to the vibrant alleys of Harajuku and the tech wonderland of Akihabara, there's always something new to discover. So whether you're here for the food, the fashion, the technology, or just the sheer thrill of it all, Tokyo welcomes you with open arms. It's a city that promises to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. But Tokyo's not all bright lights and big city chaos. Venture off the beaten path, and you'll find a different side to the city. A side that's quieter, more contemplative. Golden Gai is one of those places. This tiny alleyway in Shinjuku is home to dozens of tiny bars, each with its own unique atmosphere. Then there's Yanaka Ginza, a charming shopping street that feels like a step back in time. It's the kind of place where you can find traditional Japanese crafts, like pottery and lacquerware. And if you're looking for something a little more offbeat, check out Daikanyama. This trendy neighborhood is home to art galleries, boutiques, and cafes. Tokyo is a foodie's paradise. From Michelin-starred restaurants to hole-in-the-wall ramen shops, there's something for everyone. The city is a melting pot of culinary delights, offering a diverse range of flavors and experiences that cater to every palate. Whether you're a fan of traditional Japanese cuisine or looking to explore international dishes, Tokyo has it all. The sheer variety of food available is staggering, and it's no wonder that food enthusiasts from around the world flock to this vibrant city. One of my favorite things to do in Tokyo is to eat my way through the city's depachikas. These bustling food halls are a treasure trove of culinary delights, offering everything from fresh produce to gourmet treats. Each depachika is a sensory overload, with the sights, sounds, and smells of delicious food all around you. It's a place where you can sample a wide variety of dishes without having to commit to a full meal, making it perfect for foodies who love to graze. These are basement food halls found in department stores, and they are a quintessential part of the Tokyo shopping experience. As you descend the escalator into the depachika, you're greeted by a vibrant and bustling atmosphere. The sheer variety of food on offer is astounding, from traditional Japanese dishes to international cuisine. It's a place where you can find something for every taste and budget, and they're a great place to find everything from fresh seafood to exquisite pastries. The quality of the food is top-notch, with many stalls offering samples so you can try before you buy. Whether you're in the mood for sushi, tempura, or a sweet treat, the depachika has something to satisfy your cravings. It's also a great place to pick up unique souvenirs and gifts for friends and family back home. For a quick and cheap eat, you can't go wrong with ramen. This beloved Japanese dish is a staple of Tokyo's food scene, and there are countless ramen shops scattered throughout the city. Each shop has its own unique take on the dish, with different broths, noodles, and toppings to choose from. Whether you prefer a rich and creamy tonkatsu broth or a light and refreshing shoyu broth, there's a ramen shop in Tokyo that will cater to your tastes. You can't go wrong with ramen. The experience of eating ramen in Tokyo is something special, from the moment you step into the shop and are greeted by the warm, savory aroma of the broth. Watching the skilled chefs prepare each bowl with precision and care is a treat in itself. And when you finally take that first slurp of noodles, you'll understand why ramen is such a beloved dish in Japan. There are thousands of ramen shops in Tokyo, each with its own unique broth and toppings. Some shops specialize in a particular style of ramen, while others offer a variety of options to choose from. It's not uncommon to see long lines outside the most popular ramen shops, with locals and tourists alike eager to get their fix. But don't let the lines deter you. The wait is almost always worth it. Each with its own unique broth and toppings. From rich and creamy tonkatsu to light and refreshing shoyu, the variety of ramen available in Tokyo is truly impressive. And it's not just the broth that sets each shop apart. The toppings can range from tender slices of chashu pork to perfectly cooked soft-boiled eggs, and even unique ingredients like truffle oil or yuzu zest. Exploring the different ramen shops in Tokyo is a culinary adventure in itself. And if you're looking for something a little more substantial, check out an izakaya. These traditional Japanese pubs are a great place to unwind after a long day of exploring the city. With their cozy atmosphere and extensive menu of small plates, izakayas are perfect for a relaxed and social dining experience. Whether you're in the mood for grilled skewers, sashimi, or a hearty bowl of stew, you'll find plenty of delicious options to choose from. These are Japanese pubs that serve up small plates of food, perfect for sharing with friends. The menu at an izakaya is designed for sharing, with a wide variety of dishes that are perfect for sampling and enjoying with a group. From crispy tempura to savory yakitori, there's something for everyone to enjoy. And of course, no visit to an izakaya would be complete without a few drinks. Whether you prefer sake, beer, or a refreshing highball, you'll find plenty of options to quench your thirst. Perfect for sharing with friends. The lively and convivial atmosphere of an izakaya makes it the perfect place to relax and enjoy good food and good company. Whether you're catching up with old friends or making new ones, the izakaya experience is all about sharing and enjoying the moment. So next time you're in Tokyo, be sure to eat like a salaryman and explore the city's incredible food scene. Tokyo is a city of contrasts. You can find ancient temples and modern skyscrapers, all within a few blocks of each other. One minute you're in the middle of a bustling crowd, the next you're in a quiet garden, listening to the sound of water trickling over rocks. Traditional festivals are a great way to experience Japanese culture. One of the most famous is the Sanja Matsuri, which takes place in Asakusa every May. It's a riot of color and sound, with parades, food stalls, and traditional music and dance. And if you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of a geisha. Tokyo can be an overwhelming city to navigate, but it's easier than you think. The public transportation system is one of the best in the world. The subway is clean, efficient, and easy to use. My advice? Ditch the map. Pick a direction. Go. Get lost. You'll find something interesting, I guarantee it. One thing I've learned, landmarks are your friend. Look for those big, iconic buildings to get your bearings. And don't be afraid to ask for help. The locals are generally friendly and helpful, even if they don't speak much English. They might even point you to a hidden gem or two. Tokyo. A city that will swallow you whole if you let it. A city of endless possibilities. From the bright lights of Shibuya to the quiet alleys of Golden Gai, there's something for everyone in this concrete jungle. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and explore. Eat some ramen, drink some sake, and get lost in the electric avenues of Tokyo. And when you do, drop me a line and tell me all about it. I'm always looking for new adventures.